Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei MatePad 11.5, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, with that being said, performing such a reset will allow you to get rid of your screen lock if you have on set that you don't know. Sorry. Now, I do want to also clarify, I'm not necessarily sure if this applies on this device or not, but on Androids, if you do this and you have also Google account signed in this case, I guess on Huawei it would be a Huawei account, as you can't have Google on here. This will FRP lock the device, and when you go into the setup of it, you'll be forced to verify either the screen lock or the account that was signed in on here. And assuming you don't know either one of those, it would basically not allow you to finish up the setup of your tablet. So I do want to clarify this just in case. I don't know if this will be the case on here. I'm gonna check if I have any kind of account on here. I don't think I do, but yeah, I don't. So for me, this device, even if typically it would become locked, this one will most certainly not be, as there is no account signed in. But in any case, to get started, we're gonna hold our power button and we're gonna select power off once it shows up. There we go. And once the device is off, we need to hold power button and I believe volume up, though could be wrong about that one. Let's see. Power button, volume up. Sorry for the focus, it's struggling. Once you see the Huawei logo, you can let go of the power button. Yeah, so it was volume up, luckily. Now, once you see the Harmony OS recovery mode, here all you need to do is simply select clear data and then factory reset. As a confirmation, you need to just simply type in yes and then select factory reset. This will begin formatting the device. As you can see, it's a very quick process and it's almost finished. There we go. So once it's finished, we can select back and then restart. This will now continue resetting the device in the background, and once it's finished doing so, we will be presented with the setup screen for our tablet. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.